most effective and low-cost solution to killing mold on non-porous surfaces is using sodium hypochlorite, which is basically bleach. That's the best solution for cleaning mold off of surfaces where water can't pass through. The right way to go about it is, obviously, you need to wear a mask. You need to wear some gloves before you handle that, as the bleach's fumes can be harmful to your lungs. So make sure you have protective gear and use a 10-to-1 water to bleach ratio. For example, 1 cup of bleach for 10 cups of water. So if you use that ratio, you'll be on the safe side and also maintain the effectiveness of sodium hypochlorite. So basically, you just use that solution, put it in a spray bottle, or you can soak a sponge or a cloth on it and pat down the mold areas. So I prefer to use a spray bottle. So with the spray bottle, I just make sure I soak it and saturate the mold, let it sit for about, I would say 60 to 90 minutes. Once it's sat for about an hour, then you would find or use a brush, a rough brush, or like a rag. So you can use a rag and just scrub it away. Make sure you get it nice and make sure that you can actually rub away the mold. If it doesn't rub away, then you got to apply it again and wait another hour. And then once you're done, just let it sit there. You don't have to rinse it away or anything, because the bleach will actually continuously kill the growth for the mold. So in simple terms, just get some bleach, put it in a bottle, a spray bottle, soak up your mold and let it sit for an hour and then wipe away. That's as simple as it gets.